So now let's go ahead and do an example of a long straddle, so follow along in your workbook. So the stock that we're going to be looking at is OLED, O-L-E-D, and the date is December 11th, 2017, and the price of OLED on that day is 170.160. So we'll call it 170 to make it easy. Now, again, I am betting that the stock is going to move out of a trading range. How do I do that? I'm going to buy one of the March 170 puts, and I'm going to pay $17.95. At the same time, I'm also going to buy one of the March 170 calls, and I'm going to pay $20.40. So I'm paying a lot of premium, but again, I think the stock is going to move out of a range. Let's look at what the stock is doing. As you can see, it's kind of trending higher. So we look right here. This is where the P&L starts for this combination. And the thing that you're going to notice is as the stock is moving up, the combination is moving up, the price, the P&L. As the stock is moving down, we start to lose money. But again, as the stock continues to go down, you see that I'm actually making money. So remember, depending on where this stock is moving, if the stock is moving up a lot, I can make money. If the stock is moving down a lot, I can also make money. So now let's take a look at the max loss and the max gain of our trade example. OLED is the stock. It's trading at 171.60. This is on December 11th, 2017. So I'm playing this long straddle out till March. So let's calculate the max loss. So if you remember, your max loss is literally your premium spent. So we're going to take your call premium that you spent of $20.40. Then you're also going to add your put premium of $17.95. That's going to equal $38.35. You're also going to have to multiply the number of contracts, which is 1. And you're also going to have to multiply 100 because it's a 100 multiplier. So the max that I can lose is $3,835, or the premium spent. Your max gain, we already know this, is unlimited. It's unlimited due to the long call. Now let's take a look at our break-even ups, break-even downs, and then the net result. So the break-even up, if you remember, is you're going to take the call strike of 170, and then you're going to add the call premium of $20.40 plus the put premium of $17.95. That equals $208.35. So for me to break even on the upside, OLED has got to move above $208.35. Now let's calculate the break-even down. You're going to take the put strike, 170, then you're going to subtract the call premium of $20.40, also subtract the put premium of $17.95, so your break-even down is $131.65. If OLED is below $131.65, I will make money on the trade. Where was OLED at expiration? 124. So it looks like we're going to make some money. So let's calculate the net result. So the call, as you know, is going to expire worthless because if you are long a 170 call and it expires below 170, you're going to lose all of that premium. So what did we lose on the call? You're going to lose $20.40. Now, your put is going to be worth something. So if you're long a 170 strike put and the stock goes to 124, you're going to make 46 points on the put. But don't forget, you spent some money for that put. How much did you spend? $17.95. If we sum all of this together, it's 7.65 that you make on the trade. Remember, you have to multiply times the number of contracts, which this is 1 by 1. Also have to multiply times 100 because it's a 100 multiplier. And so the net result is a gain of $765. So let's go ahead and review the long straddle. So remember, you just need that stock to move outside of a trading range, either up or down. So remember, adapt the straddle to your hypothesis. Again, the stock needs to move out of the range regardless of what the market's going to do. And then also, you need to assess the outcome of applying this combination to your strategy. Know your break-evens, know your max loss. Now, why don't you try an example in your workbook?